We've just resolved probably our two last major contract packages, and so we're basically now good to go. We're probably around a third the way through in terms of expenditure, because these early packages were the ones that kicked the project off, and then there was a bit of a hiatus while we got Crown funding and procured the rest of the job. For almost 5 weeks we did nothing. Generally the CRL sites did very well. We came out of lockdown very fast, and we're on all the sites but the one we've just walked out of. We were back up at full productivity within about 3 days. This site's very congested and confined, so in order to observe the social distancing rules, they took a while to get up to speed here. But generally, we did pretty well in the lockdown, or coming out of the lockdown. At the moment, we're tracking to finish the job within our budget envelope, but the big caveat for everyone at the moment is the impact of COVID. And we've got through the lockdown, we've got through level 3, level 2, but we're an international project. We source people and equipment and contractors internationally, and that is proving to be a big challenge with the restrictions around borders, and that will play out for some time. It's becoming clear to us that that's not a problem that's going to go away in the next couple of months.